Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to promote your Fiverr gigs for free. So the first thing you need to know is to promote your Fiverr gig for free, there are some steps you need to take. Leverage social media. Always share here before and after samples on Instagram Reels. You can do it on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Second step is to engage in communities. Join the communities, post in Facebook groups, Reddit, and niche forums. Thirdly, use buyer requests. Send custom offers daily with a personal touch. And the fourth step is to collaborate. You can partner with influencers or other freelancers for shoutouts. And then the fifth, SEA optimize. Use keywords in your gig title or description for organic Fiverr traffic. Now here are mistakes you need to avoid. 1. Spamming. Don't just drop links, provide value first. 2. Ignoring analytics. Track which promotions drive traffic and double down. 3. Overpromising. Be realistic. Be very realistic in ads to avoid bad reviews. And lastly, neglecting follow-ups. Always remind happy clients to leave reviews. Pro tip: you can repurpose content to turn a gig sample into viral. How I did this clip. It's as simple as that.